This is PLU403. My name is Emmanuel and I'm studying theology combined with educational studies. I'm going to be addressing the question, how can labeling theory and self-fulfilling prophecy combine in educational practice? Well, I think the first thing is for us to understand what we mean by the labeling theory and what we mean by the self-fulfilling prophecy. The labeling theory basically, is more of a stereotype or a stigma which is attached to a person or a group of people. The self-fulfilling prophecy was actually an idea which was developed by Robert Merton, and the idea behind this is that basically a person lives according to the expectation of society, so they behave in actual fact according to the expectations of the society. So how does that come into educational practice? Well, what happens is that in education, from my personal experience in school, because I was not very much like a high performer in my classroom, I was sort of like average. So I was actually made to believe that I was an average performer. So because I believed that, so the expectation was that I was actually gonna achieve results which were sort of like borderline. So basically these are the same practices we still find today in educational setting, like in schools, mainly high schools. So the teachers actually focus more attention on children that are more able, and the ones which are not as much able are ignored. But the reason is that this situation was instigated by the teachers themselves subconsciously. Therefore, that is how we term the labeling theory. So those children grow up believing that either they're not capable or they're more capable. So because those are the expectations of this society, they actually then live according to them unless something happens that changes that particular perspective. So thank you.